Namaste, खुश रहो बेटिया. I, Xavier Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Our today's topic of the session is what is a control structure in PHP. So, code execution can be grouped into categories as shown below. Some code is sequential and some is decision. In sequential, this one involves executing all the codes in the order in which they have been written. But in decision coding, this one involves making a choice given a number of options. The code executes depends on the value of the condition. A control structure is a block of code that decides the execution path of a program depending on the value of the set condition. So, let us look some of the control structure that PHP supports. First one is your if else condition. If then else is the simplest control structure. It evaluates the condition using Boolean logic. When to use if then else, you have a block of code that should be executed only if a certain condition is true. You have two options and you have to select one. If then else if is used when you have to select more than two option and you have to select one or more. So syntax of the if condition is open the PHP tag and then write the if condition is true, then block 1 is executed. If it's false, then another block is executed. So how it works, let us understand with the flowchart. Start. If condition is true, then execute code. If block if condition is not true, then execute the code in uh, else block, right? So see the if condition with some example. Here is the first number is 7 and your second number is 21. If first number is greater than second number, then print first number is greater than the second number. Else print which is uh, written as echo, the second number is greater than first number. So see what is the output of the this program. So 21 is greater than 7. That means the else condition party is running over there. Now we will see what is the PHP switch case. PHP switch case is the similar as if it is executes a single block of code depending on the value of the condition. If no condition has been met, then the default block of the code is executed. It has the following basis syntax. Write the switch and then condition, or then if the value uh, in form of case. If case value 1, a block of the code to be executed, then break. If it is not fully satisfied, then go to the case value 2 and then break, and then default block code and then break the code, right? So here switch is the controls structure block code. Case value case are the block of code to be executed depending on the value of the condition. Default is the block of the code to be executed when no value matches with the condition. So how it works, let us understand with the flowchart diagram. If I start, then switch case 1 yes, execute case 1 block code, case 2 yes, execute 1 block code. If execute default block code, yes, execute code outside the switch, right? So see this example practically. If today is Wednesday, then switch today condition case first is a Sunday and write echo pray for us sinners and then break. The another case is Wednesday echo ladies night take he out for dinner and then break. Case Saturday echo take care as you go out tonight then break, and by default echo have a nice day at work and then break the condition. So output of this program is ladies night take her out for dinner. So controller structure are used to control the execution of the program. Then the if then else is when you have more than root block of the code to execute depending on the value of the conditions. Which case is used to when you have a number of block codes and you only have to execute one of them depending on the value of the set case. So this is all about this session. Thank you. I hope you like my session. This digital version 2.0 is provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Or to, if any query regarding this session, please comment below. Thank you, class.